हेलो व्यूवर्स, वेलकम टू द चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम करने वाले हैं क्लास 8 का हिस्ट्री का चैप्टर 3 रूलिंग द कंट्री साइड के केस स्टडी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले आपको बता दें, क्लास 8 की प्लेलिस्ट का लिंक आपको वीडियो के एंड में भी मिल जाएगा और डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी मिल जाएगा, तो वहाँ से आप क्लास 8 की दूसरी वीडियोस देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं हमारी आज की वीडियो। इंडिगो प्लांट ग्रोज प्राइमरीली इन द ट्रॉपिक्स। By the 13th century, Indian indigo was being used by clothes manufacturers in Italy, France, and Britain to dye cloth. Next is, however, only small amount of Indian indigo reached the European market and its price was very high. Indian indigo the price of indigo was very high, as well as small amount of Indian indigo reached Europe by 13th century. Next is, European cloth manufacturer therefore had to depend on another plant called woad to make violet and blue dyes. Clear? Being a plant of the temperate zone, wood was more easily available in Europe. Wood plant is easily available in Europe because of temperate zone. Next is, it was grown in northern Italy, southern France, and in parts of Germany and Britain. Next is, worried by the competition from indigo, wood producers in Europe pressurized their government to ban the import of indigo. European cloth manufacturers were worried by the competition from indigo. That is why they pressurized their government to ban the import of Indian indigo. Next is, cloth dyers, however, preferred Indian indigo as a dye. Cloth dyers prefer Indian indigo. Why? Because Indian indigo produced rich blue color, as the dye from wood was pale and dull. The color we get from wood plant was pale and dull, while Indian indigo produce rich blue color. That is why the cloth dyers prefer Indian indigo. Let's discuss question answers based on this passage. First question is, which plant is easily available in Europe for dyeing? Options are indigo, wood, or opium. Answer is wood. In Europe, wood plant is easily available. Wood is grown in options are frigid zone, torrid zone, or temperate zone. Answer is temperate zone. Next question is, Europe government was pressurized to ban import of options are wood, indigo, or opium. Answer is indigo. Indian indigo was Europe government was pressurized to ban Indian indigo. Next question is, cloth dyer preferred dash as a dye. Options are Indian indigo, wood, or black color. Answer is Indian indigo. Cloth dyer prefer Indian indigo. Next question is, Indian indigo produce options are rich blue color or pale color or dull color. Answer is rich blue color. Indian indigo produce rich blue color. Next question is, wood produce options are bright blue color or pale and dull color or yellow color. Answer is pale and dull color. That is why cloth manufacturers prefer Indian indigo. Next question is, European cloth manufacturer depend on wood for dye because options are small amount of Indian indigo reached Europe, or price was very high, or both 1 and 2. Answer is both 1 and 2. European cloth manufacturers depend on wood for dye because small amount of Indian indigo reached Europe, as well as price was very high. Although they prefer Indian indigo, in spite of that, they have to depend on wood. दैट इज़ ऑल फॉर टुडे। आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। वीडियो कैसी लगी कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करके जरूर बताइएगा। अगर वीडियो पसंद आया तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए। फ्रेंड्स के साथ में, रिलेटिव्स के साथ में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कर लीजिए। चैनल पे पहली बार आया तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, साथ ही बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लीजिए ताकि आपको नए नए वीडियोज़ के नोटिफिकेशन टाइम टू टाइम मिलते रहें। फिर मिलेंगे एक नई वीडियो में नए चैप्टर के साथ। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, हैव अ ग्रेट डे।